Open data is data from government or private sector organizations that can be used by citizens, by businesses, by not-for-profit agencies to find new solutions and new patterns in the way that we do our work.
So open data is three things. It means that you can find it, so you can do a Google search or Bing search and locate it. Once you find it, you're able to download it and you're able to actually open and play with it. So you can manipulate it, you can map it, you can do something to change it, see how it works. And then the third piece that is also most important and can't be lost is that you then in turn can share what you do. It's not, if I can do all such interesting things, but I can't share it with you, it's not open. So you gotta be able to find it, you gotta be able to play with it, and then you gotta be able to share it with it.
We are thrilled about the prospect of getting an entire professional group excited about leading this new open information, open data movement. So we wanted to bring together librarians, information managers, archivists.
So what we find is a bunch of people coming together to work things out.
I think it's really amazing to see all these people come together and get so excited about data in ways that I never really thought about.
I saw a really great presentation today about what kind of material is used in-house and that they're always reshelving, but it's never actually taken out. And they were thinking, a library might want to put that stuff away or get rid of it when it's actually used a whole lot.
We're not talking about literacy anymore. We're talking about numeracy. We're talking about data visualization and all of those things. And I think that's important to our education of librarians going forward.
I think the biggest piece that's inspired me is just the reception to the conversation generally and the ideas that have come forward. Really practical ideas to just get the momentum to the next step and begin to figure out how public libraries could be engaging with post-secondary libraries, with communities, with government, moving the whole open data movement forward.
Working with some of the librarians within the library where I work, which is a public library, to think about what are the questions that the community groups that they work with are asking, what's the information that their community groups are seeking, and is there a role for us as facilitators to either bring in some expertise that we might have or work with experts in the open data community to kind of bring those groups together and find some answers to those questions that they might have.
Your community is creating data. And so I think there's an opportunity for libraries to go out and say, hey, well, what if that data is actually a mirror that we think people are going to want to look at, or kind of the mirror of their society 20 years from now? And the other piece is, I think there's a huge educational opportunity. And so now, we've achieved a literate society. Now I think we need to think about how are we going to achieve a data literate society. And so we need to think about what libraries' roles are in that. And I think they're an enormously powerful example. And I think they actually have a role in championing that in the 21st century.
You can teach people how to use data. You can help the organizations you work for in organizing their data and using data sets out there. So get involved, learn about this movement, and lead it.